Welcome back, guys. Today's tip is how to flush your sewer without having full hookups. In order to do this, you're going to need one of these. This is a waste valve. They sell these on Amazon. It just clips onto your sewer hose right here, and it has this extra valve added in. So the first thing you're going to do is come in here. You're going to drain your black tank like you would any other time. So once you've drained your black tank, you're going to leave the black tank open. Then you're going to come over here. You're going to close this valve. Then you come back over here, leave the black open, open your gray tank. I do this for about 5 to 10 seconds. That water gushes into your black tank, swishing everything around really good. Then after about 10 seconds, you close that again, and then immediately come back over here and open this valve back up and let that drain out of the black tank. Okay, now after you've let that black tank drain again, you come back in here. You can close your black tank now and then reopen your gray tank, and you let the rest of that gray water flush out your hose and clean it. Alright guys, that's today's tip. Hopefully you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this, and give us a like and share. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.